Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is December 4th, 2025, and we're diving into Donaldson's fiscal 2026 first quarter earnings report. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Donaldson has reported a strong start to fiscal 2026 with record sales and earnings. It's an exciting time to analyze their performance.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Donaldson reported net sales of $935.4 million, a 3.9% increase from last year. John, what are the key drivers behind this growth?
The growth is primarily driven by pricing benefits, favorable foreign currency translation, and volume growth. The Mobile Solutions segment, particularly the aftermarket sales, showed strong performance with a 6.5% increase, which contributed significantly to the overall sales growth.
And how about profitability? The adjusted EPS came in at 94 cents, up 13% from last year. What factors contributed to this impressive growth?
Donaldson's profitability was bolstered by cost optimization initiatives and leverage on higher sales. The operating margin improved to 16% from 14.5% last year, reflecting effective expense management and operational efficiencies.
Segment performance and market dynamics. John, can you break down the performance across Donaldson's segments?
Sure. The Mobile Solutions segment saw a 4.5% increase, driven by strong aftermarket sales. However, on-road sales declined by 27.1% due to lower global truck production. The Industrial Solutions segment remained flat, with growth in industrial filtration solutions offset by declines in aerospace and defense. Meanwhile, the Life Sciences segment experienced a robust 13.1% growth, thanks to strong new equipment sales in food and beverage and disk drive.
It seems like the on-road segment faced significant challenges. How is Donaldson addressing this?
Donaldson is focusing on market share gains and optimizing their product offerings to mitigate the impact of lower truck production. They are also leveraging their strong aftermarket sales to support overall segment performance.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Let's talk about operational efficiencies. Donaldson's operating margin improved to 16.0%. What were the key factors?
The improvement was driven by a 180 basis point reduction in operating expenses as a percentage of sales, thanks to cost optimization initiatives and disciplined expense management. This allowed Donaldson to convert sales growth into significant margin expansion.
Looking ahead, what is Donaldson's outlook for the rest of fiscal 2026?
Donaldson has raised its full-year adjusted EPS guidance to a range of $3.95 to $4.11, reflecting confidence in continued sales growth and margin expansion. They expect sales to grow between 1% and 5%, with strong contributions from the Mobile and Life Sciences segments.
CEO insights and strategic initiatives. What insights did CEO Tod Carpenter share about Donaldson's strategic direction?
Tod Carpenter highlighted the company's success in gaining market share in key businesses and the effectiveness of their razor-to-sell razor blades model. He emphasized the importance of ongoing expense management and the value created by their diverse portfolio of businesses and product offerings.
How does this align with their long-term strategy?
Donaldson's focus on market share gains, cost optimization, and leveraging their diverse product portfolio aligns well with their long-term strategy to drive sustainable growth and profitability.
Key takeaways. In summary, Donaldson has delivered a strong start to fiscal 2026 with record sales and earnings. The adjusted EPS of 94 cents slightly beat the forecast of 93 from 5 analysts. John, any final thoughts on Donaldson's investment prospects?
Donaldson's robust performance, coupled with their strategic initiatives and raised guidance, positions them well for continued growth. Investors should keep an eye on their ability to maintain market share gains and manage costs effectively.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Donaldson's performance in the comments below.